Welcome to Technology Channel International. In this video, I will help you to create software using AI. So let's begin. First of all, you can open any popular LLM like ChatGPT. Okay, I will open ChatGPT and we need to just write a prompt. Okay, I will create one to-do software for me. Basically, in a single day, I need to work on multiple tasks, so I can arrange the tasks there and I can complete the tasks from there. Okay, just you need to write a good prompt here. Create to do software using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. Also able to perform CRUD operation. This CRUD operation means create, read, update, delete. Okay, when I also add mark is completed option, I also need to change the priority order. Okay, and then this is the prompt. I will also paste this prompt in description. I think this is good. Okay, click on reason. It will do best work for you. Okay, to do software. Okay, let me hit enter and we'll first. Okay, I forgot one thing. Okay, we'll add definitely. Okay, to run this software, just search for online HTML run, like that. Run online HTML. You can search for this one, and here is the code. Okay, I'll paste it here and click on run. Okay, there is the tags. Okay, I need to write record video of MS Word. Okay, add. This is good, and I'll say learn AI. Okay, update AI app. Okay, when I say medium priority 8 tasks, this is good. Wow, I like it. Okay, I can easily order also. Okay, easy to order. Okay, that's nice, interesting. I like it. And I'll say also add local storage. Okay, also add local storage to save it on browser. Okay, and it will automatically save in browser. This is the one of the most interesting thing. Okay, so here is the code. You don't need to write anything. Okay, just okay, this is good. Then let's paste and click on run. Okay, here is already our list is already saved. Okay, that is good. Nice. Okay, if you want to publish this software, then copy the code and go to github.com. Okay, go to github.com. If you don't have account, create, and I will click on new. Just click on new, and then here enter the repository name. I'll say to do software, and description I'll say to do software for tasks, and click on public and click on create repository. It will create new repository for you. Then click on create a new file, and here just type index.html. Okay, and here paste the code. Okay, here is our code, and if you commit change and click on commit change, okay, here is our code, and go to settings and then click on pages Okay, here choose a branch. Okay, I'll choose main and click on save. Okay, and after 30 seconds it will give you one link. I'm waiting for that link, seriously, very seriously. I'm waiting for that link. Let's see. Come fast, come fast, come fast, come fast. Okay, okay, come fast. It is okay inside. Okay, to do software, and our branch is main. Let me reload it. Okay, finally here is the link. Okay, great. And when I click on that link, I can use this website. You can also use this website. I will put the link on description. Just type this in your browser. You can also publish your own. You can also add your own custom features. I will use it. The data is completely saved on my browser. When you open this website, that data is stored on your browser, so don't worry. It is your private data. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Please share this video with your friends. Thank you. See you.